Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following: Kawili Fishing TV, Team Airmax TV, El Prisco, Baya TV channel, Broad McCoy TV. Please visit our playlists, YouTube tips, travel vlog, Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, skincare, sorry, military news update, makeup tutorials, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials. Let us open another document to transfer all the information from our Spot channel. Now, let us apply halftone to our design. Add another layer to simulate our black t-shirt. Make sure that the foreground color is black. If it is not, just click the arrow to interchange it. Then, hold the Alt key and backspace to affect the black color. Let us add some text to our design, and adjust it according to preference. Now, let us add the registration marks to our design. Hold the Shift key and click the other registration layers, right-click mouse, click duplicate layer, and drag it to the bottom while holding the Shift key. Do not forget also to remove the white background of our design by using the Magic Eraser tool. Make sure you click the white background and not the half-tone dots. Make sure that the color of our design is very black for a better result of our stencil or film positive. Now, let us print our stencil or film positive using the A4 size inkjet film. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.